Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. If you are interested in this topic, let's jump into the video. For deleting your TikTok account, first you have to open your TikTok application, then go to your profile. Here you have to click on the three lines and then click on settings and privacy. On this page you have to click on account option. Then click on deactivate and delete account. After some loading, this page will appear. Click on delete account permanently. Then choose a reason why you are leaving the TikTok. So after choosing the reason, click on continue. This page will appear. Here you can download your data before deleting your TikTok account. Check on the box and click on continue. Then this page will appear. Click on continue button again. Then verify yourself before to delete your TikTok account. So I am verifying myself with Google account because my TikTok account was created with Google account. So after verifying yourself, some loading will appear and this delete account option will come. Click on it and then click on delete button. After some loading, your account will be deleted permanently. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.